This lesson is on Funky Duck by Vulfpeck. This song has 3 parts. Here's the first part. Here's the second part. Here's the third part. Okay, let's break these parts down. I'll start by playing the first one really slowly. Alright, so note-wise this is pretty straightforward. It's an E-flat pentatonic riff, which is just all the black keys. The thing that takes a little bit more nuance is the way that the riff is articulated, the longness and shortness of the notes, the way that we slide into this first note, the way that we play these short little left-hand grace notes before some of the notes. So make sure to get all those little nuances because they are really what give this riff its funk. Here's that second riff, really slowly. So once again, I have to stress the importance of getting all those little grace notes and such, even more so than in the last riff. Some of those are really hardly notes at all. It's really just little percussive stabs to fill out the rhythm. So make sure you're getting that quick, light touch. The last chord, by the way, is called a B-flat 7 sharp 9, which is basically a B-flat dominant chord with both a major and a minor third. We call that minor third the sharp 9. It's usually voiced like this, and sometimes it's called the Hendrix chord. The third riff is the easiest one. It just goes... Another E-flat pentatonic riff. And that is all the riffs in the song.